Which 10 indoor plants gives you 24 hours of oxygen? Hello and welcome my friends. Hope you and your family are doing well. Now you are what? Today, I am feeling excited to share with you about 10 great indoor plants which give you oxygen throughout 24 hours. Generally, plants take carbon dioxide and releases oxygen during daytime when photosynthesis process occurs, but takes oxygen and release carbon dioxide during night when respiration occurs. But there are some plants which give a large amount of oxygen in day and reduces carbon dioxide at night to increase the ratio of oxygen level. There are no plants that produces a large amount of oxygen at night, but still they release some oxygen during night also. Some desert plants, epiphytes, they keep their stomata closed during day. Number 1. Aloe vera. Aloe vera emits oxygen at night and release oxygen, thus increases the longevity of your life. Zero maintenance aloe vera. According to NASA, an air purifying plant that improves air quality a lot in indoor space. Its gel have a lot of benefits also. Keep it near a sunny window and don't overwater this plant. Number 2. Peepal. Peepal tree uptake carbon dioxide during the night and increases the lifespan who sleeps under it at night. Taking this idea, you can keep it in your bedroom and take proper care of it. It will take care you, make you lifelong. It is a very hardy plant and very easy to keep it healthy at home. Number 3. Tulsi or holy basil. Tulsi not only an auspicious plant but purifies the indoor air a lot. It is very easy to take care Tulsi, just don't apply any chemical fertilizers to it. Keep it in east-facing window to get bright morning sunlight for few hours. It is commonly used to treat asthma, cold, sore throat, high blood pressure and cholesterol. Number 4. Pothos or money plant. Extremely hardy plant, if enters your home once you can't eliminate it, and even you can't kill it. In soil or in water, in any growing media it grows well. Best to keep in southeast corner to get few hours of morning bright indirect rays to thrive. It is very easy to propagate this plant also, just cut the long trailing branch below the node area and plant them. Number 5. Neem. Neem plant should be planted inside the home for its tremendous air purifying capacity. It detoxifies air at a great level. It is a natural pesticide. Neem absorbs carbon dioxide and gives oxygen at night. Number 6. Snake plant. Zero care hardy snake plant nicely grow in a sunny window, even in your bedroom, to provide you oxygen at night. It tolerates any light conditions and can thrive even at darker corners of your home too. It absorbs and degrades formaldehyde, xylene, toluene, trichloroethylene from air and improves the indoor air quality. Number 7. Gerbera daisy. Bright, cheerful, prettiest gerbera is very popular for its beauty, but do you know that this flower plant have extreme quality to produce oxygen at night? Keep a planter of gerbera beside your bed at night and in a sunny spot during day. It prefers bright sun during summer, but indirect sun during winter. Number 8. Areca palm or golden palm or butterfly palm or yellow palm. Biologically engineered areca palm is a popular indoor palm that take carbon dioxide and release oxygen for 24 hours. It is a natural humidifier and a natural air purifier that removes formaldehyde, xylene, toluene and more other toxic volatile chemical components from air. Number 9. Orchids. Beautiful attractive orchids are beneficial too. Not only it emits oxygen at night but also removes xylene, toluene, benzene and more other pollutants and volatile organic compounds from air and keep air fresh and breathable. Number 10. Christmas cactus. It blooms during Christmas, so the name is, but you can enjoy its foliage beauty throughout the year. It thrives in bright indirect light. As a cactus, water less to promote blooming. It releases oxygen at night instead of throughout the day, which is good for sleep quality. Keep the soil moist and mist daily. This cactus is a great plant for the bedroom to purify indoor atmosphere by absorbing invisible chemical compounds like xylene. Weeping fig, spider plant, bamboo plant are also good plant which you can keep.